Welcome to the program. You're watching Sean Bike. My name is Sean Santa Maria. Let's remove this. But right now, I'm gonna tell you I'm not an expert. Hindi ako sports medicine person. None of that. May alam lang tayo ng konti because I've been dabbling with it. I'm an amateur athlete myself. I ride a lot. I run, as you know. So, nakikita ko sa stats ko yan. And I'm a stickler. I want to know things. I want to know what I'm looking at. I want to understand the numbers. May alam tayo ng konti. And the little that I know, I want to share with you. And I'm gonna explain it to you in the simplest terms, layman's terms. So this is VO2 Max for beginners by somebody who is not an expert but who knows a little bit. How about that for an introduction? Tara. The first thing siguro you need to know about VO2 Max is that you can think of it as your body's energy score, right? It tells you how good your body is at using oxygen whenever you exercise, whenever you run, whenever you cycle, whenever you work out. Remember this, VO2 max is how long and how hard you can go before getting tired. VO2 max obviously has a numerical value. Meron ka niyan, meron ako niyan, nakikita mo yan sa numbers mo. If you use Garmin, just look at your Garmin app, whatever, no? Wahoo. Mas mataas ang VO2 max mo, you could say, generally, for the most part, mas fit ka. You have a friend whose VO2 max is 49 and yours happens to be 52. Generally, essentially, mas fit ka, mas malakas ka, in simple terms. VO2 max is found by pushing your body to its limit and measuring how much oxygen you could still use at absolute max effort. Okay? Takbo ka uphill, pagod ka, no? Humihingal ka. Gaano karaming oxygen pa ang kaya mong i-handle? Yun ang VO2 max. The next question you may have as a beginner athlete is how to get your VO2 max. Okay, simple lang. I know of two basic methods. If you're an expert, pag matagal ka na athlete at alam mo itong mga bagay nito and you know of other methods to get VO2 max na hindi ko shinare dito after the video, let me know. Lagay nyo na sa comments. Let's help each other. Okay, two methods. Number one, and probably the most accurate way to get your VO2 max is via a lab test, a lab exercise. You go to a sports medicine or sports lab. We're going to ask you to get on a treadmill, sakay ka ng stationary bike. If you're a cyclist, sasagarin mo hanggang mapagod ka, and they're going to put an instrument on your face. There's a mask with a tube. Kukunin nila yung data dun, yun ang VO2 max mo. Now the second method I'm going to share with you is what I use. Garmin watch lang ang gamit ko. So yes, kung may fitness tracker ka that takes the activity for the day or the specific exercise that you're doing, if it measures heart rate, if it asks you at some point to enter your age, your gender, and your weight, and if you have an app, your fitness tracker will almost always come with an app. It's gonna compute that for you. After your activity, let's say you biked for 100 kilometers, sumagad ka, whatever activity naman, gumawa ka ng activity, it's gonna give you a VO2 max reading. Just go to the app and look for where the VO2 max is. Andun siya. Ang mga factors na kino-consider ng fitness watch, of course, heart rate, steps taken, kilometers ridden, kilometers run, age, weight, gender, among other things. May formula na siya. It's gonna give you a reading. If accurate yung tracker mo, like accurate naman yung heart rate, accurate yung reading yung heart rate, yung kilometrahe mo tama, you can say na more or less yung VO2 max na ibibigay sa'yo ng Garmin, whatever instrument you have, ay accurate na rin. It will not be as accurate, it will not be as precise as the lab method, but it mirrors your actual state of fitness. Pwede na rin asahan. So let's summarize again in the simplest terms. VO2 max, para siyang, you can think of it as your kaha. Kung ikaw ay kotse, no? Kung ang VO2 max ay makina ng kotse. 6-cylinder ay mas malakas sa 4-cylinder. Mas mataas ang VO2 max number mo, mas maganda. Pwede nyo rin isipin to. More play, more power. It simply means, mas ginagamit mo ang katawan mo, mas lalakas ka. Mas gaganda ang VO2 max mo. How do you improve your VO2 max? Just do more of what you're doing. Bike more, run more, mag-i-improve yan. There are more scientific and more targeted approaches to improving VO2 max, and you can do that on your own, you can research on your own. But essentially, the more you move, the more you do the activity that you do, the more intensity you apply, mas gaganda ang VO2 max mo. Basically, yun na yun. Yun yung basics. And I explain it to you in the simplest terms. Hindi ka naman ako eksperto, as I told you. Importante ba na malaman mo ang VO2 max mo? Kung recreational rider ka lang, daily rider ka lang, coffee rider ka lang, you do long rides every so often, not a lot. Importante ba malaman? Oo na rin. Yeah. It gives you an idea of what you're capable of. Minsan baka ma-inspire ka pa. Kung mababa, gusto mong pataasin. Kung mataas na siya, well, it's a point of pride, no? Mas gaganahan ka pa. Ano ba ang magandang VO2 max? I'll give you my VO2 max. It's 52, right? And for my age, pag tumama ng 50s, ang VO2 max mo, you're in a good place. Ang mga elite athletes, 60 and above. Okay? If you're below 50, if your VO2 max is below 50, mag-aspire ka na ma-improve yun. If it matters to you. If it matters to you. Kung obese ka, kung hingalin ka, kung diabetic ka, mas scientific din siguro dapat ang approach mo. Siguro consult your doctor, do a little bit of research before pushing real hard. But if you have a low VO2 max, at least meron kang would be aspirational. Hindi naman kailangan. Buhay niyo yan, do what you will. Pero of course, in the end, fitness, health, yan naman ang goal. And that's the real wealth in life. Kung malusog ka. You want to stay healthy for your loved ones, you want to stay healthy for yourself. Quality of life yan. At quality of life na ibibigay mo din sa mga mahal mo sa buhay. Hindi ka pabigat. That's it. Kung may idadagdag kayo, just put it in the comments. Kung may i-dispute kayo, kung may mali, let me know. Okay lang yan. Ilagay nyo din sa comments. Pag-usapan natin. Share what you know para lahat tayo happy. Okay? That's it. Thanks for watching. Always ride safe. God bless you all. See you next time.